Hello everyone. Welcome back to FIBO. Today, we are diving into a vibrant and refreshing topic, how to incorporate plants into Indian homes using interior design. Indian homes view plants to be more than just decor, they're symbols of prosperity, health, and positivity. From improving air quality to creating calm and peaceful spaces, plants are a natural way to enhance your interiors. Whether you have a massive bungalow or a compact apartment, we've got exciting ideas to transform every room in your home with plants. Let's get started. The living room is the heart of every Indian home. A space where families gather, entertain guests, and relax. Plants can add life and vibrancy. Here's how you can incorporate them effectively. 1. Make a statement. Place tall plants like areca palms or rubber plants in unused corners to create an instant focal point. 2. Add texture and dimension. Cluster small plants like peace lilies, syngonium, or miniature ficus on coffee tables or open shelves for visual variety. 3. Go vertical. Consider hanging planters with cascading greenery like money plants or string of pearls near windows or balconies for a lush, dramatic effect. 4. Embrace tradition. Complement the traditional Indian aesthetic by pairing brass, terracotta, or wooden planters with your plants. These materials add warmth and cultural charm. Next up is the kitchen, the heart of culinary creativity. Why not infuse it with greenery that's both functional and beautiful? Here are some ideas. 1. Herb Haven. Create a mini herb garden on your windowsill with tulsi, holy basil, mint, and coriander. They are perfect for Indian cooking and need minimal care. 2. Save space. Use magnetic or wall-mounted planters to grow small herbs or trailing plants like pothos in smaller kitchens. 3. Low maintenance choices. Keep hardy plants like aloe vera or snake plants on top of cabinets or refrigerators. They require minimal sunlight and add a fresh touch. 4. Blend with design. Use planters that match your kitchen's backsplash or countertop materials for a cohesive look. Bedroom is your sanctuary, a space for relaxation and rest. Plants can enhance this calming atmosphere beautifully. Consider the following while incorporating plants into your bedroom design. 1. Air purifying greens. Place a peace lily or areca palm in a well-lit corner to improve air quality. 2. Aromatherapy. Naturally, add a small pot of lavender or jasmine near your bedside for a soothing fragrance that aids better sleep. 3. Vertical greens. If floor space is limited, go vertical with hanging planters featuring trailing ivy or string of hearts. 4. Subtle decor. Use wicker, neutral tone or ceramic planters to complement the tranquil vibe of your bedroom. Your bathroom can become a green retreat. Moisture-loving plants thrive here, adding freshness and a spa-like ambience. The following are some ways you can add plants to your bathroom. 1. Humidity heroes. Opt for ferns, spider plants or pothos. They thrive in humid conditions. 2. Space savers. Use suction-mounted planters on walls or hanging planters near shower areas for a unique look. 3. Simple touches. Place a bamboo plant or small succulent on the sink counter for a minimalist aesthetic. 4. Natural textures. Choose stone or ceramic planters to handle moisture and complement the bathroom's earthy tones. Your balcony or terrace is the perfect spot to create a green haven. Let's make it your favorite corner of the house using the following. 1. Go vertical. Use vertical gardening setups with creepers, money plants, or flowering vines. These save space and look stunning. 2. Add pops of color. Use bougainvillea, hibiscus, or curry leaf plants in large pots to bring Indian charm. 3. Create a cozy nook. Surround seating areas with smaller pots of succulents or herbs for a fresh vibe. 4. Protect your greens. Install partial shades or netting for plants that can't handle direct sunlight. Finally, let's talk about Puja Room, a sacred space that can be enhanced with plants. Here are some recommendations. 1. Holy greens. Place a tulsi plant in a brass or terracotta pot for an auspicious touch. 2. Floral elegance. Arrange small flowering plants like marigolds or roses near the altar. 3. Fragrant touch. Add fragrant plants like jasmine in decorative planters for a divine ambience. Indian home. Plants not only beautify your space but also bring health, positivity, and peace. Which room are you most excited to transform with plants? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such videos. Until next time, keep watching FIBO.